Sustainable manufacturing, advanced production, enhanced exports, rapid business growth. Ethiopia is accelerating its high-value industrial land use and generating high returns on local and foreign investment. Established in 2014, the Industrial Park Development Corporation is charting a path for progress and opportunity for its manufacturing partners. Thanks to Ethiopia's strategic location at the center of the world, its proximity to key global markets, and outstanding industrial infrastructure, the corporation is fast attracting investors ready for their next phase of growth. The IPDC facilitates the public and private sector development of fully integrated industrial park zones across Ethiopia. Our land use offerings include fully leasable factory shed facilities for manufacturers and service land for industrial developers. Our factory shed leases are competitively priced, ranging between $2 to $3 per month per square meter, and with an average annual service land leasing cost that is between $335 and $375 per square meter. So far, 24 sector-specialized and mixed-use industrial parks have been developed, with 13 parks built by the IPDC, 7 privately owned, and 4 integrated agro-industrial parks developed by regional governments. All parks boast end-to-end production operations and business services across various emerging industries and can take the form of exporting processing zones, special economic zones, free trade zones, agro-processing zones, technology parks, logistic hubs, and more.
Africom Technologies Kazi Park.
As Africom operates out of this park, it provides many services. One of them, of course, being export work. We develop and deliver different types of software from here to different nations across the globe, and this brings in quite a bit of foreign currency. Secondly, within the nation, we provide software development work for NGOs and GOs. This reduces costs in software imports, and as a result, we save the nation some valuable foreign currency.
There are more than 125 active local and foreign investors in IPDC's 13 parks, which have earned $850,000 and created 80,000 jobs for Citizens Establishment till January 8, 2022. Ethiopia's industrial excellence is rooted in strong transport logistics networks, abundant human capital, and preferential market access worldwide. That's why leading local industrialists choose our parks as export accelerators. And North American, European, Asian, Middle Eastern, and African players select Ethiopia as a key production hub. The government of Ethiopia has undertaken massive political, economic, and legal transformation reforms to make this happen. Our new investment proclamation and commercial code underpin an enabling and eased environment for doing business. Our industrial parks offer procedural relaxations, investor-friendly fiscal incentives, favorable tax regulations, tailored export logistics services, and personalized investment aftercare for continued business development. Each park provides centralized, one-stop services that guide investors throughout the investment and operational process. We guarantee eased access to banking and forex services, simplified customer procedures, facility safety and risk management, fast-track immigration processes, and skills development training to address industry-specific labor needs. At the heart of the world-class environment is an all-inclusive and sustainable infrastructure that migrates the impacts of pollution on communities and the natural environment. We offer low-cost green energy for less than 5 cents per kilowatt, uninterrupted telecommunication by the partially privatized Ethio Telecom, powerful wastewater treatment systems, and regulated emission controls. The manufacturing sector will generate employment, GDP contribution, and yearly exports. Global leaders are maximizing their operations across the manufacturing value chain at all 4 dedicated textile, garment, and apparel parks, from weaving textiles to producing finished garments and luxury leather accessories.
We have invested over $50 million to create the largest scale linen spinning plant in Africa. Our exports are soaring and our investment is paying off.
የማድረግ ደረጃ ላይ እንገኛለን።
ሱፐርቫይዘር ሌቨል ላይ ነው እየሰራ ያለው።
I work under supervisor level. I'm happy in the work I do and I feel both happy and very lucky due to the fact that this park was opened in Awasa. The fact that I'm able to work without having to leave my hometown and family makes me very happy. I even work with some friends that I went to school with and I'm very grateful.
በማግኘት በጣም እድለኛ ነኝ፣ ደስተኛም ነኝ።
Agro-conglomerates are leveraging Ethiopia's vast arable land and natural resources in our 4 agro-industrial parks using access provided to controlled crop farms and processing hubs to produce diverse products. The African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement opens up duty-free access to global markets for the African manufacturer, and our consolidated networks making exporting easy for premium goods made in Ethiopia. Foreign and domestic companies produce medicine and medical supplies with the support of specialized and qualified Ethiopian workforce. Our 270-hectare pharma cluster in the nation's capital, Addis Ababa, attracts large-scale investments from industry giants for its customized offerings of product manufacturing, leasing, testing, and joint warehousing. Ethiopia's industrial parks are also attracting investments from high-value industries like ICT and electrical equipment. Our bustling parks tend to reach full occupancy rather quickly. Consequently, the IPDC is building more developments to meet increasing demand for our exceptional facilities and services. We are making big leaps and meeting major milestones in creating homegrown economic renewal, drastically changing the development of our urban centers and creating a pathway to a prosperous Ethiopia. Our vision is to be the world's best industrial park developer and administrator by 2025. And we welcome all to invest in our high-capacity facilities for access to a groundbreaking and globally competitive manufacturing hub in the heart of Africa.